What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Just did an update on VeChain. It went parabolic. You can check it out on the channel if you haven't yet. We're going to go over Gala games. We're seeing at 0.0265. We're up 2.8 on the day. You see market cap 738 million, 24 volume 59 million. Let's hop into the chart. So I'm still looking at leading diagonal. I think we could push a little bit higher to about 0.02762, which is a 61.8 fib target for a micro 5 in the red here. Take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of 2, top of 3, bottom of 4, and it'll give you that target. And then potentially get rejected, complete this wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, push back to the upside. That's what I think is the more probable scenario. The bearish scenario, because it's only 3 waves so far, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, that it's a wave B, that you're pushing up in a wave B. Depending on the deepness, if BTC pulls back to like 42K, then you could potentially put in a lower low to 0.0182. Right now, I think it's a little bit less probable. We're getting back above the daily EMAs. We broke out of this falling wedge. We're seeing a nice push to the upside. We're in multiple Gala trades. We locked in about 18% on our previous trade. And we have other ongoing Gala trades. This is one of them. I think we have 2 other swing trades. So they're doing well. But I think it's more probable that we just continue to put in this ending diagonal. And when Bitcoin pulls back, we're going to put in a wave 4. Could even bounce off that trend line before continuing up in a wave 5 to complete a leading diagonal. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. So I would expect at least 0.02762. If we roll over from here, then the wave 3 is complete. We pull back in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5. But I do think we could push a little bit higher first to this trend line, and the 61.8% fib level, dyslexia hitting hard, for the wave 5 before pulling back. Bearish scenario, if Bitcoin were to see a deep pullback to the low 40Ks, we come down, we create a lower low, would be an incredible time to jump in as an investor. My average price for my investment is 0.035, so I'm up here 0.035, but I'm not worried about that at all, because I have a strong inclination that Gala will reach at least $1 in the bull run. There's a lot of doubters right now, but there always are in the bear market, and they always say it will never reach the all-time high. You're talking about one of the strongest metaverse projects in the entire crypto space. Music, movies, games. Like, bruh. That's it for this one. We're in multiple trades. We locked in 85% of our vet trade. I'll open that up quickly. Boom, that was absolutely crazy. We're up 57%. I already locked in 85% just before it pulled back. We locked in those profits. We absolutely crushed it. We're in XRP, we're in Gala Games, we're in a BTC trade, and we have multiple ongoing Forex trades. We won seven Forex trades in a row, 7 winning trades in a row, and I just gave some more signals for today. Yeah, we're killing it, guys. Crypto Forex, $10, best $10 you'll ever spend. Sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. This is where I do my trading for crypto. All links down below. Do go check them out. Smash up the like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.